stop scrolling. I need you to look at this carefully. Toyota, one of the most powerful automotive forces on this planet, looked at every luxury hotel, every private jet, every super yacht, and said, we can do better on four wheels at highway speed. And then they built this. Let's start from the outside, because the outside alone will stop your heart. Look at that body. Pure aerospace-grade white armor shell, sculpted by engineers who understand that power and elegance are not opposites. They are the same force. 8 wheels, not 4, not 6, 8. Precision-engineered wheels gripping the asphalt like the machine is daring the road to resist it. Blue adaptive LED lighting running along the undercarriage like a pulse, like this machine is alive, like it has a heartbeat. And that Toyota badge, glowing blue on the front, like a warning signal to every vehicle on the road. Get out of the way. Royalty is moving. And from the rear, this is where it gets personal. That glowing Toyota emblem hitting the sunset sky like a crown. Red and blue lights cutting through the golden hour like the machine itself is announcing its arrival to the horizon. While the rest of the world is stuck in traffic, while the rest of the world is checking into hotel rooms with paper-thin walls and plastic furniture, this machine is already on the next highway, already chasing the next sunset, already 3 cities ahead, and it is not even trying. Now let's step inside, and the first thing you see, the first thing that will absolutely wreck your brain is this cockpit. 3 ultra-wide digital command displays stretching wall to wall, real-time AI navigation mapping every mile ahead, autonomous cruise control that means this machine can drive itself while you sit back and watch the Pacific Ocean disappear on the horizon. The steering wheel alone, that illuminated Toyota yoke, looks like it belongs on a spacecraft. This is not a driver's seat. This is a commander's throne. You are not operating a vehicle. You are directing a machine that was engineered to make every other vehicle on the road feel like a bicycle. This cockpit was built for people who make decisions that change things. Move deeper into the machine, and now you are standing in a kitchen that will make you question every restaurant you have ever been to. Full marble countertops, chef-grade stainless steel appliances, a French door refrigerator that belongs in a penthouse, a smart cooktop with steam rising from a pot while you were doing 80 miles per hour on a coastal highway. And that window above the counter? That is the Pacific Ocean. That is your view while you cook. Michelin star chefs work in kitchens smaller than this. 5-star hotel restaurants have less equipment than this. This kitchen was not designed for survival. This kitchen was designed for people who refuse to lower their standards for anything, anywhere, ever. And then, the bathroom. Let me be very clear about what you were looking at. A full freestanding soaking bathtub, a ceiling rainfall shower with smart temperature controls, blue chromotherapy LED lighting covering the entire floor, and a floor-to-ceiling window showing you a raw desert canyon landscape as you bathe. This is not a bathroom. This is a restoration chamber. While the world outside is harsh and loud and relentless, in here, everything stops. The hot water falls. The blue light heals. The canyon stretches for miles outside your window, and you remember, this is what you worked for, this exact moment. Now, the master suite, king-size bed with premium upholstered headboard reaching the ceiling, a built-in fireplace burning on the wall, a cinema-scale smart screen on the opposite wall, and through the window, palm trees, ocean, sunset. This room is moving. Right now, at this moment, this room is traveling down a highway at speed, and it feels like the most still, most peaceful, most powerful place on Earth. No check-in time, no check-out time, no neighbors through the wall, no airport at 4 a.m. Just you, your fireplace, your ocean view, your world. But here's what separates this machine from everything else that has ever existed on 4 wheels. A fully equipped executive boardroom, 8 premium leather command chairs, a wall-size presentation screen running live financial data, and outside that window, the ocean at dusk. Close a $1 million deal. Run your entire company. Host your board of directors at 75 miles per hour on the Pacific Coast Highway. And right next door, a private executive office. Dual monitors, whiskey shelf, ocean sunrise framed perfectly behind your desk like a painting that changes every hour. This is not a motorhome with a desk in it. This is a moving empire, a rolling headquarters, corporation on wheels. And when you have conquered every room inside, you go up. The rooftop sky lounge, 360 degrees of open sky and ocean horizon, a fire pit burning in the center, premium lounge seating wrapping the entire deck, and a robotic bar arm, intelligent, precise, tireless, mixing your drink and delivering it perfectly while the sun surrenders to the sea. No rooftop bar in any city on earth has this view, because this view is never the same twice. It changes every mile, every hour, every destination. The world's greatest rooftop moves with you. So let me ask you something. What is a mansion? 4 walls, 1 address, 1 view, 1 life. What is a hotel? Someone else's bed, someone else's rules, someone else's timeline. What is a private jet? A destination with an arrival time and a departure gate. This Toyota luxury motorhome is none of those things. It is every destination. It is every view. It is every sunset. It is every boardroom, every bedroom, every kitchen, every sky lounge, moving. No address, no gate, no checkout, no limit. This machine was not built for travelers. This machine was not built for tourists. This machine was not even built for the wealthy. This machine was built for the ones who understand that true power is not where you are. True power is that you can go anywhere. And right now, this is your chance. Your chance to stop watching from the sidelines. Your chance to stop dreaming from a distance. This is the chance for you to become the king of the road. So I want to know, where would you drive this beast? Drop a comment right now and tell me your destination. Tell me the road. Tell me the city. Tell me the country. Because kings don't stay silent. Kings make a move. And if you want more machines like this, more power, more luxury, more of everything the world's greatest vehicles have to offer, subscribe right now. Because what is coming next will make even this look small.